Hello, it's Thursday, January the 26th, 2012, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar weakened against the other major currencies after the Federal Reserve extended its pledge to hold its target for the federal funds rate low until late 2015. In addition, interest rate remained unchanged at 0.25%, supporting a weaker dollar as well. Wall Street closed positive as the S&P increased by 0.87% and the Dow by 0.66%. Crude oil increased by 0.50% to close at $99.40 a barrel, and gold rose by 2.20%, reaching its highest price this month to close at $1,700.01 an ounce. Today, initial jobless claims are expected to rise from 352,000 to 371,000, core durable good orders from 0.3 to 0.9%, and new home sales to increase from 315,000 to 321,000. The euro was negative against the dollar during the European session, as European Central Bank said they oppose restructuring it. The euro-dollar's momentum turned positive after breaking 130.50 levels. As long as the pair's trading above this level, the euro might rise further. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 129.31 and a high of 131.21. The pound closed higher against the dollar after US policymakers said their key interest rate will stay at almost zero until at least late 2014, boosting higher-yielding currencies. GDP came out worse than expected at minus 0.2% versus minus 0.1% forecast. As long as the pound-dollar is trading above 156, the pound's momentum is bullish, with next resistance level on the daily chart at 157. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 155.29 and a high of 156.78. Today's CBI realized sales are expected to become negative from 9 to minus 2. The yen fluctuated against the dollar, closing with a slight loss as Japan reported its first annual deficit in 31 years. Amid concerns the country's fiscal health may deteriorate. The dollar-yen's trend is negative below 78.30. Only if the pair breaks above this level will the dollar be attractive again. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 77.56 and a high of 78.28. The Canadian dollar rose to its strongest level in almost 3 months versus the dollar as higher-yielding assets closed positive following the Fed's announcement. As long as the pair is trading below 101 levels, the US dollar's momentum is bearish, with next support on the daily chart at 1. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 100.28 and a high of 101.47. No economic data needs to be published today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.